Impressing a girl can be a challenging task, but there are a few things that you can do to increase your chances of success. Here are a few tips. 1. Be confident. Confidence is a very attractive quality in a person. Believe in yourself and your abilities, and don't be afraid to be yourself. 2. Show interest in her. Take the time to get to know her and show that you are genuinely interested in her as a person. Ask her about her hobbies, interests, and goals. 3. Be a good listener. Listen attentively when she speaks, and show that you are interested in what she has to say. Avoid interrupting or talking too much about yourself. 4. Be thoughtful. Show her that you care by doing small things that show that you are thinking of her. This could be anything from bringing her a cup of coffee to remembering her birthday. 5. Be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not in order to impress her. Be true to yourself and let her get to know the real you. 6. Be respectful. Show her respect, and be a gentleman. Treat her with kindness and chivalry, and don't try to force anything on her. 7. Show your sense of humor. Laughing together is a great way to build a connection and impress her. It's important to remember that impressing someone is not about being someone you're not, but about being the best version of yourself and showing that you're someone worth getting to know. And also, it's important to remember that everyone has their own preferences, and what impresses one person might not impress another. Be yourself and respect her as an individual.